How to open images in Lightbox in Squarespace. So in order to do that, first head over and add in here an image. For example, right there, let's head over and add a section. And onto this section, let's add in here a blank section. And let's add in here an image. In order to do that, locate the add block option, click on image, and after that, click on this plus icon. You can choose from uploading a file, selecting from library or browsing stock images. I'll just browse for some stock images like this one, then click on add image. And then after that, it should be able to be added to that particular part. Just wait for this and it should be added. Now you can resize it all you want. Now once this has been added, the next thing you need to do is just duplicate or double click this block. Once you have double clicked that, just click onto this design tab. And then in here, you can see the actual layout. As you can see, we have the option for Lightbox. So make sure to enable that. Choosing here the Lightbox theme, it can be dark overlay or light overlay. Now in here, just choose the actual style. After that, save your changes and save your website. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.